Does your real estate business have too many tools between an outdated CRM, a parsing service, a lead tracking, and also having to build out automations on top of that? Well, if that is the case and you feel like you're having to pay nickel and dime here and there and here and there until finally all of a sudden your commission's completely gone, I think I have a solution for you on how we can rein in your tech, bring it all into one place. I'd like to introduce you to the Systems Accelerator Manager. We affectionately call it SAM, and it's an AI-powered tool that lets real estate agents and teams manage their business. Now, first, what you can do is you can build out lots of different resources in all the different areas of your business. You can house those to your website, and then as people trade their information for those, you can send them to an email forwarding that's going to bring them directly into your contact database. Now, the power inside of SAM's contact database is it's going to collect all of those different details, but it's also going to use any personal details or any priorities in the types of housing that your buyers are looking to have to inform and create more personalized interactions using a little bit of AI. The other thing it can do is start automations based on those important dates getting filled out. Now, once you have all of those different contacts, you can also go into your properties database, and inside there, you're able to track your property, listing, and any transactions that might occur through the lifetime of this different property, encouraging you to be able to actually engage in repeat business and keep track of it in one place. Now, once you have all of this working, you have the ability to access an outbox that's going to let you see what messages you need to send or have sent. You can view your call list and make calls directly from the platform. You can even engage in building automations. Now, workflow automations, traditionally speaking, are going to take a couple of different weeks to build out. But now inside of the Systems Accelerator Manager, you can actually either build those out manually or clicking this Let's Build It with Sam, you can enter in plain text a simple prompt. Now, in this case, the objective of this is to write a 6-day new lead first-time homebuyer nurturing series with tips, tricks, and traps for the first-time homebuyer, and it's going to be building something for 14 days. Now, what it's going to do in a couple of minutes rather than several weeks or possibly even months, it's going to generate exactly what this routine automation is going to look like. It's going to think of all of the different steps and all of the different actions inside of it. And then once it's got all of this, it's going to start building out all of the templates. So even the messages inside here are going to be generated and created by Sam. Now, think about how fast you're going to be able to build each and every one of your workflow automations using a tool like this. Now that it's completed all of that, it's building out all of the templates. Currently, we're at 14 out of 33. Now we're at 18 out of 33. And you can see just how fast Sam is able to create all of these pre-written messages. Now all you have to do is go in, review them really quickly, ensure they sound like you, and you're off to the races. And now, as you can see, we have this workflow automation pre-built. We've got all of the different 14 days, and even inside of it, you can see how we have different messages that have the templates that Sam has pre-written for us in a matter of seconds. Now, at the end of the day, you can invest in lots of small little subscriptions into one really big company. You can also pick a couple of different subscriptions, or you can invest inside a platform like Sam that's not only going to help you work smarter inside your real estate business, but it's going to allow you to do it at a much cheaper cost because it's all in one place. If you think that this tool would be a great fit for your real estate business, go ahead and visit sam.workflowsecrets.info. Start with a 14-day free trial, and then you can see for yourself how Sam is going to be able to shift and change your real estate business. I just can't wait to have you in the platform. I'll see you there.